how to make these cute Christmas ornaments that use recycled Christmas cards.
Let's see what's cooking, let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking, it's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, you'll need some Christmas cards of course, and I went through my stash of Christmas cards and I took out the ones that had like landscapes and trees and mountains and things on them for this particular craft, but you can pick whatever you want. So what I did was I took the Christmas card and I used, these are mason jar rings. They come in different sizes. These are the larger ones. I traced it onto the Christmas card and cut it out. And now what I wanted to do was place a little plastic deer. Now I bought a few of these on Temu. This is not sponsored. They're very inexpensive. So some little plastic deer, and I'm putting a little bit of hot glue on it to glue it down onto the card. And I wanted to add a little bit of artificial snow on the bottom of it. So I put some hot glue and some of that artificial snow. And I added some more glue and then another layer just so that it would build up a little bit on the bottom of it. Now I wanted to add a clear plastic front to these to make it a sealed ornament. So I cut out a clear plastic piece and then just glued it into the mason jar ring, and then glued that whole mason jar ring on top of the Christmas card and the deer, plastic deer. And then you can just have to add an ornament string to the top of it. Now here's another one that I tried doing. Same thing, Christmas card circle. This is a smaller one, a little plastic deer, and I also bought these little tiny plastic trees that I trimmed the back of, and then I stuck it onto the card, and the hot glue was sticking to everything. And then I also purchased these clear plastic ornament bowls that come in 2 halves, also from Temu, but you can find them at craft stores around Christmas time. I added a little bit of snow, didn't glue it this time, just added the snow so that it would be loose, and then gently picked it up to try to keep the snow inside there, went off the edge of the counter. And then I added the back part of that Christmas ball ornament, which is also clear. And if you want, you can decorate the back of it if you'd like. I didn't in this case though. And then just shook the snow, and the snow moves around a little bit in the bottom and looks like the little deer is standing in snow. And there's the completed ornament with the deer and the snow. I did another smaller one with a smaller mason jar ring, and I decorated that one with a little bit of green tinsel around the outside of it. But you can decorate these any way you want. And then I had these little acrylic charms. It was a little polar bear and a big snowflake, so I stuck those on. And for this one, this smaller mason jar ring, I took some little plastic beads I had and glued those all around the edge, outside edge, just to decorate it a little bit. And of course I added an ornament string. And full disclosure here, I removed the little plastic window. I removed that to take photos because it would just be all full of glare and I wouldn't be able to get good photos. Here is the little round ornament that I made, and as you can see, there's glare on it from the lights when I took the pictures, but it still turned out quite nice. And here they are all in a group. So these are really fun to make. They're easy to make, and you can use up some of those Christmas cards that you've been saving over the years. This video is going to go on my Christmas ornament playlist, as well as on my recycled Christmas card craft playlist. There are videos that overlap on both, but the ornament playlist has a lot of other different kinds of ornaments on it if you're looking for something to try to make around Christmas time as a craft. Thanks for watching.